Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Yeah, we are great.
Great.
So I can feel a new energy in both of you. How was your weekend? Uh,
Good,
how
good.
was your weekend?
We have enjoyed.
So
Great. Amazing.
share your experience. Are you practicing your e-codes?
Yes.
Yes,
So
daily.
how you are feeling after practicing for 1 week? What changes you are feeling in yourself? Himaji, can you please share?
Yes, I felt very like I feel very light day by day. Whenever I wake up and I speak loudly in front of mirrors, amazing impact in my life. And all day I'm positive think, and all days I feel happy, and I think my goal is my not goal my dream is achieved if I'm doing properly, and whenever
Yes, you
sleep
will.
so I really feel happy day by day. That is my experience.
That's good. Good. Clap for yourself.
Thank you.
So Nadim ji, how you are feeling after practicing your e-codes for so long, and have you both turned your encodes, and what did you do with that?
Yeah, I
It's in the fire. Yeah.
burn it them and flush out. I never think
Now
like
don't think about it at all, you know.
never think.
Okay, Nadim ji,
uh,
you share.
yeah.
So I feel more powerful, and whenever I'm going blue, again I'm just reading those lines, and again I'm getting power.
Great, great. So with this, as we have already empowered ourselves so much, we are moving to the another activity which is called outcome. You know, because everybody has some dream
Yeah.
which we want to achieve, so that will be taken as an outcome, and how strongly we can do it, what is the process we are going to learn in this week. This is our week 3. So I would like to explain how what outcome is, how it is different from your goal setting, because every time, every year we set some goals, sometimes we are not able to achieve something like that. So I would explain what outcome is. Outcome is basically, outcome excites, motivates, inspires us to take action and push our limits. Traditional goal setting doesn't work, but outcomes aligned with your baseline and coding work like a magic. So, would you like to share any goal you set in the beginning of this year, Himaji?
Yes, every year I set a goal but doesn't work.
So, how long you worked on it? Maybe
Maybe 15
like
days, 1 month.
then
After
drop
that,
it.
yeah,
How about you, Nadeem
back
ji?
Yeah,
to
yeah.
my life.
Every year for past many years, I write the goals, and most of the time will not able to achieve the
Correct.
goal.
But
Good.
now when we'll do the outcome activity, you will not do that, you know. So you'll know how we are doing it, going to do it. You now have understood baselines integrated with power coding, realized without these being clear and aligned, anything you try to achieve will be difficult. Once you have clarity of baselines and integrated power coding, our outcomes become easy to achieve. Have you ever met someone who has less skills than you and is not as smart as you, yet seems to have a Midas touch? Everything they touch just works. It's so annoying, but you now know why. Their baselines and codings are aligned with their dreams and actions. That's the difference. So, an outcome is a focus point which will change your life. Unlike goals, outcomes shape your character because they are set with your mental state of mind. Having outcome excites, motivates, inspires us to take action and push our limits. Your traditional goal setting doesn't work, and but outcomes aligned with your baseline and coding work like a magic. If you don't know where you want to be, how you will how will you ever get there. Besides knowing your outcome, it's also important to have measurable, real outcomes, not just randomly set vague goals. How do you make an outcome real and measurable? Let's find out. So, this activity is with this activity, we will be able to focus our uh, actions and our work according to our baseline and our integrated power coding. So this activity is basically, we can tell it as a focus building activity, or how you can focus on it. Uh, you will focus down on absolutely critical and necessary top three outcomes of your life, and they should start working towards. The purpose of this activity is to help you identify number of outcomes you have, both short term and long term, and then narrow down to one they need a critical attention. So here I will share an online activity. It's an online activity. I will share you a hub where the steps you have to follow. That is, you have to write down everything you want to achieve in next 5 years. It should be around 50 outcomes. You know how you can do it? Can anybody of you give me an idea how we can get 50 outcomes?
You do
Not
the brain,
now.
you do the brainstorming.
Yeah,
Brain.
brainstorming. And the easy way I will tell you is, you did your wheel of life, right?
Okay.
So you
Yes.
find out each area. You know that in each area we need to do something to go up to a 10 level grading.
Yes.
So you find out each area and work accordingly. So it will become easier for you to get those 50 outcomes. So once you write down all those 50 outcomes, after that, in front of each outcome, write down the number 1, 3, 5, or 5 plus plus, which represents the number of years it will take for you to achieve outcome. From the first year list, circle three most important outcomes. Step 3 is use the online tool which I am going to present in front of you. Define my outcome will define the most important outcomes. This tool will help you to put your outcomes in order of importance. And after you have finished this activity, select one outcome of the three that you can start focusing it right now. So I will give you 20 minutes time to brainstorming and look into your wheel of life and write down 50 outcomes. So I will meet you after 20 minutes. You just, I'm putting the hub in front of you. Just log in and do the activity. See you
Yeah.
after 20 minutes. Okay, so welcome back. Are you able to write down 50 outcomes?
Yes.
Difficult, but we have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Digging yourself and you think more and more what I want in 5 years, what I want in 3 years, what I want in a 1 year. It's very difficult, but I done. I did this.
Yes, yes. I
Yeah.
know it requires a lot of deep
Yeah.
thinking. Correct, correct. So we will share. I think you have also done the 1, 3, and 5. So I would like to start with year one. Himaji, would you like please share your first year three outcomes first?
Yes. First, be a successful,
Okay.
and second is leave impact on people. Be a financially independent. That is my major outcomes on a 1 year. That
Yeah.
is my 1 year. Yeah.
Okay. So, and how about your 3 years outcomes? Top 3 years.
3 years, yes, I open an NGO, launch my book, and be know worldwide. That is of 3 years.
Uh, and how about your 5 years outcome?
5 years, have a big mansion, have a three luxury cars like Rolls Royce and Bentley. and rise my son with the strength.
Great, great.
That's my
Very nice. So, do you see any link like how we are moving from step one, then step two, and then step
yes.
three?
I planned. I work on these things definitely.
Started working on it?
Started. Yeah. I launched my page, Instagram page,
Okay.
Finding Yourself, because I want to leave and impact on people and also being a financially independent. So definitely I do.
So I
Thank
congratulate you to
thank
start
you.
as you have already
I,
started,
yeah,
and all the best also for upcoming outcomes, and you will
yes,
definitely will be able to achieve it.
yeah.
All the best. So
Thank
Nadeem ji, yeah, would you like to share your outcomes? I would go by 1 year first. So please share your first year outcome, top three outcomes.
See, in the area of finance, I wanted to get rid of all my loans, all my uh, payments that I need to pay. That is my first goal. Second is the area of health.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nadeem ji, your voice is very low. So
Okay.
can
yeah,
you?
see,
Yeah. Okay. So in the area in the area of health, I
Mhm.
wanted to achieve the optimal health. Uh, I'm practicing biohacking. I wanted to achieve that. And then third area is because of COVID, a lot of businesses are down. So I wanted to convert my business into online uh, health coaching. So I wanted to coach a lot of people, transform their life. And then I wanted to write a book this year. I want
Wow.
to become an author. Yeah, this is the 1 year goal.
Mhm. How about your 3 years top three goal?
Yeah, 3 years. I want to become a businessman, and I wanted to have uh, 2 crores of rupees in the area of wealth.
Mhm.
New. I mean, whatever I have, I want to have more money. Then in the area of health, I wanted to maintain this good health for the next 3 years.
Okay.
Continue.
How about your 5 years, three outcomes?
Yeah, 5 years. I wanted to have a big building, which already in the top of the hill I have planned.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's a 4 story building, and I can have beautiful view from the hilltop on the city. And then I will have few farmhouses away from the city and with the farms.
Okay.
Have a few cars,
Mm-hmm.
okay, Bentley and few other cars I'll have.
Okay.
And apart from this, I wanted to create my own uh, investment thing, which all the youngsters are coming up, startups. So I wanted to invest money in those companies, and I want to be a mentor for them to improve their businesses. So that I
Great.
will plan after 5 years. I wanted to have more retired life, and youngsters will work for them.
Wow. That's so nice. So have you started working on your outcomes?
Yes, already I started. Already I
Great.
started clearing my loans. Already I started earning more money.
Wow.
Already I started working on my yoga, exercise, optimal health.
Yes. Okay. Good, good, good. So I congratulate you for starting your new ventures and started working on your outcomes basically. So we have to keep us motivated, keep on repeating our codes every day, every time, so that our energy doesn't go down, right? So with this, I think this activity has given us much more clarity how we are going to move about. Uh, our outcomes are in front of us. How we are going to align our actions into it. So with this, I would like you both to applaud yourself by patting on your shoulder so that your energy keep on going on, and we'll meet in the next activity for the further detailed analysis of these.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Yeah.